Kids.
Mama, I found a little hole. I found holes. Come on, Dad. Mama, I found some holes. Look for the mangoes.
Pinoward ko yung number dyan ni Ate Chris. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Oy.
That's the breakfast part.
Ngayon? O talaga? Bakit kaya? Wala ka na ibang number ng load central? Oo.
You like the water? Be careful to step on the mangoes. You will fall.
Subukan mo sa share load. Ayaw. Ayaw sa share load. Share load yung ginagawa mo. Sandali nga, i-forward ko sa yung isang number ng load central.
Hey!
O, sige, sige.
I found a crab.
Toss it over to him.
No, it's a baby crab.
Oh, you.
It's so little, like this small.
Oh, they're tiny.
Dad. 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 Oh, oh. Dad. 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 There's a little crab. Ah! We do it! Oh, it's so kiliti.
Kinagat ka?
Hindi
Nakahuli
naman,
ka?
ito kiliti.
Kakainin mo yan.
Kaliit.
Dito ka, tara, dito tayo.
Want to see a little crab? Here's a little crab.
Gusto nilang gawin. Nabilis na manghuli ng isda, oh. Ma'am, nakakuha na ng ano, yung skate.
Skate?
Ano?
Nakalimutan ko ng pangalan niyan.
Yung mga...
Mud skipper.
Sand skipper.
Oh, much
Nakakuha ng mud skipper.
Mama, I found a crab. Oh, hello, little fella.
I don't film sideways. It's hard to... you don't upload to YouTube, huh?
No.
Okay.
Got it.
Oh, he got a mud skipper.
Before, cannot.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, now I can catch a little crabby like this one. It's so
Yan,
cute.
kaya na. Paglalaro mo muna yan eh. Then pag nahilo na, mamaya niya na naman yung kakainin. Pag